Friends, hello. Hopefully too many of you are not crying about what is going on in the stock market and take the opportunity to buy something fun in the market right now. So whether you know him or not, you might as well thank him or hate him right now. Mr. Michael here has essentially pre-crashed the market of what he is calling and betting on the S&P 500 to collapse here at the end of this year, sometime in months here, in any day, essentially. So with Michael pretty much betting against the market here in the S&P, exactly which Palantir, who we were expecting to be on the S&P 500 here by the end of the year going into next year, this has really been a difficult situation the past 2 weeks. And before all this news came out with Michael, putting puts on the S&P, we had rates increase, inflation's not getting any better, things are starting to get more expensive, gas prices, groceries, everything, you name it. Even down to Netflix. It's getting crazy out there. And people, well, they're just tired of Biden economics here. But let's not go into that. Let's talk about Palantir and what we're looking at right now. So friends, listen here. I am still crazy about Palantir. I have not sold. I've actually been acquiring more of it with these prices because we are expecting the next quarterlies to end out this year to be even better. We know that this is just going to be pure cash flow on the balance sheet here with Palantir. And it's kind of crazy to sell out, to be honest, right now, especially when potentially they could receive another big deal here any day. Not that we're expecting it, but hey, it could happen. Now, every analyst out there that you're going to read about, the majority of them are saying hold Palantir, buy Palantir. Obviously, you need to do what you want to do there with Palantir, but this is me yapping about what I'm doing with Palantir. And I am still shoveling much as I can into my closet right now for the near future of what's coming here. Here's what a lot of people are suspecting right now. Listen, here's a Skippy. We probably got 2 good months left in the market, and I know what I just said is very laughable considering what I started off with. August is done. We've got September, we've got October, we've got November. December does not count because December just sucks in the overall market in general because, people just start selling out. They get rid of their bags. They do all that. They're getting ready for tax season. Now, with that, once again, what are we expecting here for Palantir? We're expecting Palantir to come out with the last bit of the quarterlies. We know they're going to be good. We know that Palantir will run up again. If Palantir at least holds its $13 to $15 ground for the next few months, hey, we'll be happy. That's good news. If Palantir receives a deal within that time span, we'll probably run back up to a 17, 18. Depending on the market. Right now, we're not getting any market support whatsoever. Now, talking about Palantir going to the S&P 500 here, more than likely we will still see that. That is not off the table by any means. This Michael Burry thing has really put a rough taste in people's mouth right now, and it has scared off the little investors down to the big investors. I mean, I know friends that when that came out, they literally just sold out of things with like that. I mean, they just ran because Michael's got a really good track record. I mean, scary good. The only thing that he's been wrong about that I can think off the top of my head is that he bet against Tesla. And it really didn't happen. Tesla's still pushing strong. But Tesla is just its own monster and it's going to do what it wants to do. It doesn't follow the rules whatsoever. So with Palantir's growth here, listen, it could just be getting started. They've got almost 170 commercial customers, not to mention just little guys out there that we don't even really know about. This is a company that is massively growing fast and growing right in front of us. So going into 2024 here, especially, we could potentially see a new president. We could see a new shift in the market. We could see a new shift in finances with the overall stock market. We could see a shift into a bull market, and especially if we have a crash in the market, what always follows after a crash sometime down the road? Greener grass, a bull market. Now, all I say to people right now is that, will Palantir continue to go down? And if it does, what should you do? I think, friend, that's up to you at this point. Could Palantir take more damage? Absolutely, it could take more damage. It could take more damage because the overall market, it may not come back right now. I think August is going to continue to be a washout here. We've got September, October, November to really look at, but we're not certain what those are going to bring. And with this Michael nightmare looming over the market right now, it's rough out there. It's really rough out there. I mean, this is really big that this has happened. This is not good. It's almost manipulated the market, I would say, in a little bit of a way. It's legal, but one man has so much push right now, it's kind of crazy what's going on. AI stocks are still not where they were. Some of them are doing well. Nvidia does what it wants to do. Apple just kind of hangs on and continues to go up no matter what. Tesla's starting to come back again, but still in a very good spot. Palantir is holding this middle ground 14. Would love to see it walk back up into a 15, high 16. That would be a lot more comfortable for the rest of us. Obviously, and put us up back over the edge. I feel for a lot of people. I think people are holding around 13, 15 to 16 at the highest. Maybe people were buying at 19, maybe for a small moment. But either way, I think Palantir in the long run is going to be what we're really, is going to bring in the little gold nuggets here of wealth. If you can hold, wonderful. But when it comes to panic selling, I would be very careful with Palantir. So friends, key points here. Will the market crash? Potentially. Who knows? I'm just a guy. I'm just a guy who loves to invest. Will Palantir continue to bring in good numbers here? Absolutely. We know that. The rest of the year is going to be good. That's a guarantee from what we know that's already happened. But can it be better? That's the question. Will we see more deals? Will we see bigger customers? Will we see, numbers that we weren't even expecting? What is next year, 2024, going to look like for AI stocks? Palantir going to look like? What are we looking at here? So friends, I'm going to stop yapping here. I've had an espresso. I'm psyched. I'm happy. Whatever happens, I'm excited. If it crashes, make sure you've got cash on hand because there's going to be some big deals out there. But friends, let me know what you're doing and I will talk to you soon. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.